Hey guys, and welcome. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to use Apple Intelligence on a Mac. So let's just begin. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be straight diving into our settings, basically on our Mac, and on the left side you can see we have general, accessibility, and different options. So here you should have this option which is saying Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now a lot of you guys, if you are using previous models of your maybe Mac or your devices which aren't compatible with Apple Intelligence, since it comes with a baseline requirements, then it is going to be possible that you have only Siri written here instead of Apple Intelligence. So as you can see, it is clearly mentioned here as well, Apple Intel. If you only see Siri, then your device isn't compatible. So in that scenario, you cannot use Apple Intelligence. You need to upgrade your device, and if you have it, simply enable this Apple Intelligence, and that's how you can use Apple Intelligence on a Mac. So I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.